Hey everyone, welcome to this daily stock forecast. I'm going to go over some charts here for tomorrow. Let's find some levels. Okay, the first chart here will be the SPY. As you can see, the SPY came into the major gap fill I pointed out yesterday, the 157.40. We got a nice pullback from that level. I made myself a 20 cent on this trade. After that we went higher on lower volume. And then during midday, some news came out from the White House. The SPY sold off right to gap fill and got a huge bounce back because the news was fake. So let's go over some levels here for tomorrow. The first level I got is the double bottom from today, 156.18. After that it's this pivot low with the 200 moving average around 155.70. This level. After that it's this pivot low around 154.76. And then the double bottom around 153.56. On the upside, first resistance will be gap window around 158.10. After that it's this pivot low around 158.41 and gap fill around 158.80. Okay, this night Apple reports earnings, so my expectation will be that we see some craziness tomorrow. Okay, let's go over the Qs here. Let's find some levels. Okay, first level on the Qs will be 69.77, this gap window. As you can see, we kissed the level today and sold off from it. After that it will be this gap fill around 69.95. And then this double top around $17.15. On the downside, my first support that I see will be double bottom from today, 68.81. After that we have this pivot high around 68.50. Then the 200 moving average around 68.34. And then this pivot low around 68.10. Okay, let's go over to the Russell. Let's find some levels there. Okay, the first level that I see on the downside will be gap fill around 914.50. After that it's this pivot low with the 200 moving average around 910.96. And then this double bottom area on the peers of 900 to around 898.50. On the upside, resistance point, this pivot high around 928.80. And then the gap window around 938.62. Okay, let's go over some swing trades that I entered today. The first one is Mosaic. As you can see, Mosaic was making a very nice in spirit of bear flag between the 20 and 50 moving average. My entry today was 58.65. If you're looking still to enter this trade, look for a little bounce tomorrow. The stop will be any close above the 50 moving average. First level where I will take some profits will be the 55.63, this pivot low. And second target will be this gap fill around 54.33. Okay, let's go over some scalp levels for tomorrow on ExxonMobil. Okay, the first level that I got on the downside will be the pivot low from today, 87.96. Then this pivot low, 87.31. And then we have the 200 moving average with the 87 even number. On the upside, first level of resistance that I see will be this double top around 89.30. And then we have a gap fill around 89.80. And the last chart here is Google. As you can see, Google on the daily chart went higher after earnings. The first level that I see of resistance will be the double top around 843.90. This will be my first interest for a short. Let's go over some scalp levels for Google for tomorrow. Okay, the first level that I see will be on the downside for support will be 795.95. After that, it's this pivot low with the 200 moving average. The price is 786.91. Then we have this fake print that I still have on my charts, 775.31. And then this pivot low around 761.40. On the upside, the first level that I have for resistance will be the 819. Let's go over the larger time frame so I can show it to you guys. It's basically the pierce of the 820 even number. This pivot high right here on the 60 minute. After that, the other level I have is 827.21. This pivot high. And after that I got a gap window around 831.22, and then a gap fill around 834.75. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching and see you all tomorrow for a new update. Take care.